How to edit your reading list on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your reading list on Wattpad easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad. Now go to the top corner right here and go to your profile. Go down and go to your list here. And now go to the top corner and click on those three dots and click edit from here. Now here you can edit easy and fast. You can select a story, delete a story, or whatever you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.